Yete amikan laga CMO kaga tingamemo amikan laga Reverend Lushiki Than aro yete amikan laga District Administration Representative itu SCOC boka aro amikan sob down de papa itu Honorable Chairman Walkathon Committee. Aro yete kiman ahigin ase yete bara doctor hoilebi nurses hoilebi aro dusra phale itu public hoilebi apni khan logote sob akite ami isor lagan nam te salmiti ase azi enga opportunity pa time de Dr. Ado kala team loigina team of surgeons loigina enga phal kam koribo karni manu khan to Bombay Delhi bisare gina chahe Guwahati chahe Kohima chahe already amikan laga to step se amikan laga kitchen sorte ahi gina amikan logote eto hohai kore gina amikan logote heal koribo karni amikan ke mudu koribo karni aha to eto to beshi dangor kotha ase takimite khali lotha kam barai no hegina Isor barabi amikan logote Allah moram koribo dibo karni amikan so pratana kori dibo aro dusra khan bhi youngsters doctors khan bhi aji log paise maybe khan bhi Dr. Adodo amila doctor nisna ase oi age parado ami do tangor ase abibi amila doctor nisna kiman problem obo amila family ta lode chabo sob heal kori gina edu to miracle nishina enaga hwani te apni to honorable MLA bhi ase aro honorable provider bhi ase aro honorable healer to sob mano kiba na pae to nimide enaga hwani nimide apni enaga program banai gena yete ahi gena enaga kora to beshi khushi ase aro hotai edo apni logote kobole noy to nimide encouragement koribo karni youngsters kan ke encourage koribo karni
सबसे आगे ईश्वर के थैंक्स दिया से अभियान बाल्टी ने कपाई गिने अजी अलग अलग जगह थकी भी ना आगे ना लोग पाबले पड़े रिस्पेक्ट पुरुले लगा हमारा लीडर अजी मॉर्निंग लीडर डॉक्टर मुंजाम MS डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल बोखा हमें लगा ऑनरेबल MLA एंड गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर अजी कोकाय बेमो हमें लगा CMO, Dr. Yuzum, my friend Dr. Yuzum. Kami ang administration side para SDO, Town Councilor Chairman. Kami ang pastor. Yede, iman jun na higinase. Kami aji itulah program tu ki karne kami ang alag-alag jaga de berasa itu alo explain kudi bilang berapa time bahasa. Kami ang Chief Minister Dr. Nipurio. Tai Chief Minister's Health Insurance Scheme apart from Ayushman card operator itu भी दी थी हमें आप लोगों ने होली भी ताई निजे भी साइड थका तो टाउन ओसोर थका तो एवेल गुरासी ना की सर्विस तो होली बुस्ती मानन तो कार्ड तो हाथ का थकी ले भी बुस्ती बरारो हॉस्पिटल दाई बोले कोहिमा धमापुर जा बोले गाड़ी पारा तो भी ना थका भी नोटिस गुरासी तो कहना जी कार्ड तो दिशे होली भी सर्विस एवेल गुरु बोले दिखता पाबी दिखा जमने ताई हॉस्पिटल तो है लोग इन्हें पेशेंट की भी सर्विस हिसाब देता है चीफ मिनिस्टर्स मोबाइल ऑपरेशन थिएटर itu tayo ji to ami age tala program par bera ase ami kan laga itu program to 26 January this year governor bara flag off kori dishe etia to ami logode na chari gene public ke modo kore han moi to hanam nam aje obnyang na koi gene kotha kodu incomplete ase ami la team especially bishe ase ami la team do holibi tan etia operation theater set up kore ase pura ida ha hange koi dibo Dr. Lanu tai ohima de dentist ase visual private clinic ase enaga bera do bishi loss ase ta gane holibi public gane holidu kila na jabo Urigine January Brajitok Ugishan. And this is the 16th camp. I mean, I have 16 Jagada here. Kali person Padri Jabo, it is 17. Libi Enaga Hapta Beraz Libi 16 times. Kala practice Sarigina Berado to Damalino. Dr. Rovi, surgeon Ase. Amila Hospital de laparoscopic surgeon Gurinatia, consulting with the Kohimas Hospital. Dr. Kenny, Tai anesthetist Ase, Amila Kazungi Ase, Aro Itia Amila Hospital, Dami politics join Hodo Taitia, managing director Kuriase, Aro Amige Mishimudo Kunabirase, Dr. Moa, surgeon Ase, Amilo de Kohimas Devi, Ikilo Kampure. A very expert laparoscopic surgeon. Our medical college TV senior resident. Korea se. Olibi tai kam han charigene. Aji itu government la program, CM la program ide. Abi ikilo de. Aji to charane ikilo de berase. Amila team de niche de ta kam Korea han sele. Sema man bi dikhibo, konyak bi dikhibo, kemangan bi dikhibo, sangtam bi dikhibo. Aji sob milina bene ta team berase. Amila team, ekala ulibi. It will be an example.
Kino 7 toes hobode. 7 times.
Mostly our group is a surgical group, na. So we are doing almost all the surgery except for eye surgery and ear, because this require very strict sterility, which we're not doing in this camp, especially the eye surgery. So we do get lots of eye complaints, especially the old men and women, but that we're not covering. So besides that, we're doing mostly all the surgeries, anything to do inside the abdomen. So like for female, any womb tumor, cyst tumor, our surgical cases like gallbladder stone, kidney stone, ureteric stone, or any tumor inside the abdomen. Those things we're doing, and our team is more into laparoscopic, the keyhole surgeries. So basically, we don't cut the abdomen, we do with the keyhole surgeries. We're covering almost all the surgeries. Yeah. So in our team, we have, it differs from places to places also. So mostly we are 6 of us. So led by our Honorable MLA, Dr. Atto, who is a laparoscopic surgeon. Then we have Kumar Temjan Osukum. He's also a very renowned laparoscopic surgeon now. And myself, Dr. Kenny, anesthesiologist. I give anesthesia. Then we have Dr. Rovino, she's also a surgeon. And we have Lanu, he's a dentist. So we do get lots of dental cases. Sometimes it goes up to like 150 dental cases per day like that. So yeah, this is how our team have been working. And I think till date we have covered around more than 500 operations now. Today sir was telling, we have covered around 17 different places. So it covers, I think we have covered around 9 districts total. But within one district also we are going to 2-3 places. So it's coming to around 17 districts now. So we have covered more than 500 cases. Yeah, after this, actually we were in Cheminu yesterday. Cheminu we finished and then we came around 1 a.m. this morning. Yeah, so we are here now at Wokha and we'll try to finish all the surgeries. And I was told that today also we have around, I think 20 surgeries, both major and minor this thing. So we'll try to finish today and tomorrow is Sunday, we'll rest. And we'll be going to Bandari. I was told that in Bandari also we have lots of cases.